Hi viewers, today I am discussing a worksheet related to multiplication. It is helpful for the students of standard 3 and 4. It's a worksheet. Tick the correct answer. 25 into 1 into 100. Here we are multiplying with the two zeros. That is 100 has two zeros. Therefore, put two zeros to the right of 25. The correct option is 2500. 348 into 10. Put 1 0 to the right of the number. The answer is 3480. 76 into 20 is same as multiply 76 into 2. 76 into 2 is 152. After that you put 0. The correct answer is 1520. 72 into 0 into 100 is equal to, we are multiplying with the 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. 24 into 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. Therefore, we have to multiply 24 into 31. 24 into 31 is answer is 744. Next type of question is write true or false. 1 into 517 is equal to 51 into 17. That is wrong. 92 into 100 is same as 920 into 1. 92 into 100 is put 2 0 to the right of the answer. Then the answer is 9220. It is same as 920 into 1. No, it is also false. 91 into 40 is greater than 9010 into 4. 91 into 40. 40 we can split as 4 into 10. Therefore, both answers are same. I will explain it once again. 91 into 40 equal to 91 into 4 into 10. 91 into 10 is 9000 into 4. It is greater than 910 into 4. Both of them are equal. We can multiply two numbers in any order. It is true. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. It's also true. 63 into 40. 63 into 4 is equal to 252. 63 into 4 is equal to 252. Therefore, 63 into 40. Write 1 0 to the right of it. The answer is 2520. Next one is 201 into 40. 201 into 4 is equal to 804. Then 2001 into 40 is equal to 8040. Next one, question number 3. 2002 into 4. 2002 into 4. We are multiplying 4 to 8. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 2, 8. Answer is 8008. 171 into 25 is equal to grouping. 25 is splitted as 20 plus 5. The other number is 171. 4 into 13 into 4 into 13 into 41. 4 into 13 grouping into 4. Thank you.